What's going on, guys? Today I'm back with a new unboxing video with these Enacfire F1s. The link will be in the description for these earphones. But guys, these are priced at $49.99. They are waterproof, have a 2600 mAh battery, and yeah, so in the box you have the earphones, charger box, and some extra ear tips. But yeah, let's unbox it. So guys, if you saw my previous video with some Enacfires, it's sort of got the same concept. So like the box at the top, the main earbuds, just take them out, and it's got a USB type A, unfortunately not a USB to type C, so it's only USB type A to USB type USB type 3.0. Nothing else. I just got a bit of a kit of what there actually is. So USB charging cable, what ear tips there are. So there is a warranty as well. So where's the warranty card? So over here. So 3 months replacement, a full refund, or 12 months worry-free warranty. So just move everything out of the way. Now the earphones. Let's just open up this box. So guys, these do have like a snake type of skin effect like this. To me it feels like leather. Probably isn't real leather. But it feels nice. The only thing I don't like about it is just how it's like that. But over here, where the charging slot is, and I think you can use it as a power bank as well. And yeah, let's just put them in the box. And guys, let me just quickly use these for like 50 minutes, and I'll be back with you with a sound review and a review of the actual earbuds. So guys, moving on to the pros and cons. So one of the pros are it's under £100, it's £50 right now on Amazon. The link will be in the description for it. It has up to 8 hours battery life, which is very good. A case allows you to charge the earphones additionally 25 times fully. It has a 2600 mAh battery. It's got Ipx8 Waterproof, which is very good. Haven't seen that on rarely any other wireless earbuds. Has good bass and sound, has noise cancelling and touch control. It also has 18 months warranty. But guys, moving on to the cons, it doesn't have a micro USB, doesn't have a volume control, and the case, if you look at it, if I open it over here, it feels like it's gonna break or something. And yeah, but guys, these are only minor things, and yeah, and I'll see you lot in the next video. And remember to like and subscribe.